Hello everyone. Now, today our topic is noun. What is the noun and what is the definition of noun? Now, noun are everywhere. Noun are words, the name, animate and inanimate object. Example: everything in the world has a name. All names or naming words are noun. Now, let's find out some noun in your nearby. Like your name is Ram. Are you a noun? No, you are not a noun. Your name Ram is a noun. Noun. Let's try out with some examples. Like person name Mukesh, Ram, Shyam, Sita, Rita, etc. Your friend's name, your neighbor names, your father names, your mother names, whatever it is, it's called a noun of person. Next is place. Place like Patna, Calcutta, Mumbai, Park. The name of place where you all live, wherever you go, it's called a noun of place. Next is thing. Like a non-living thing. Example: pen, pencil, table, pillow, bed, window, door. This thing is a noun of thing. Other words we can say all non-living things are noun of things. Next is quality. The quality we see in ourselves or in others person. Example: honesty, wisdom, humility, pride, bravery, childhood, etc. Look at the following sentences. First is Ram thanked this mother for her kindness and support. Ram is noun, but kindness also noun. Kindness is quality of Ram, and Ram and kindness is noun. Anshu. Anshu was a dangerous criminal, but he had some goodness. Anshu is noun and goodness also noun of quality. Next is type of noun. Noun is divided two parts: countable noun, uncountable noun. Countable noun is divided three parts: proper noun, common noun, collective noun. Uncountable noun are divided two parts: material noun and abstract noun. One by one, I will define the types of noun. First, I define the countable noun. Countable noun, the noun which can be counted like Veena, girl, class, etc. Countable noun are for things we can count using number. They have singular and plural form. Singular noun is one dog, one cat, one man, one idea, etc. Example. Plural form is two dogs, two horses, two men, two ideas, etc. And more example is she has three dogs. It is countable noun because we count the number of dogs. Moving forward, type of countable noun. First is proper noun. The noun which denote a proper person, place or thing. It means particular person like person name, place name, things name. Vinay, Ajit, Nelu, Ram, Sham, Sita, Rita. Lots of examples. Places: Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi, America, London. Lots of examples. Proper noun things: Ramayana, Gita, Bible. We should write proper noun first letter in the capital letter because of this is specific noun. Second type of common noun. The noun which denote common person, place or thing, like man, common person, man, woman, common place, town, school, common thing, book and table. Next is collective noun. The noun which denote a group of person or other creatures and collection of things, like group of person, group of things. First is a crew of sailors, a team of players, an army of the soldiers, a fleet of ships, a bunch of flowers, a library of books, and more than examples also available. A team of students, a class of students, a pinch of salts, a pair of socks. Next is uncountable noun. The noun which cannot be counted, like gold, water, oil, honesty, coffee. Uncountable nouns are for the things that we can't count with the numbers. They may be the names for abstract ideas or qualities for or for physical objects. Example: liquids, powder, gases, etc. Countable nouns are used with a singular verb. They usually don't have a plural form. Example: tea, sugar, water, air, rice, knowledge, beauty, anger, fear, love, money, research, safety, evidence. Type of countable noun. First is material noun. Material noun. The name which cannot be counted, like copper, silver, tea, ghee, coffee. Gold, rubber, leather, cotton, sugar, nylon, polyester, water, soil, etc. Next is abstract noun. The noun which denotes quality of condition or actions. Wisdom, humanity, pride, bravery, childhood. Thank you friends. I hope you will be clearly understand what is the noun.